Phyllis Charday is suing her former friend, Shannon Hemmert, for selling a car that she paid for.
Ms. Charday, this is your case, and then I'm going to tell you what your problem is.
Okay.
You are not permitted by law, you personally are not permitted by law to own a car in your name.
Right.
And that's because, why?
I got pulled over without insurance.
That's not the reason.
Um,
That's not the reason.
okay.
That's baloney. It's a lot more than that. Because if you get pulled over without insurance and you don't have insurance, what they do in every state is they say, show me proof of insurance when you come and pay the ticket for not having proof of insurance. If you show them proof of insurance, they either make you pay a fine or not. But you don't lose the right to own a car. Now, you want to start that again with me? You can't own a car in your name because...
The only thing I know is that I didn't have insurance when I got my ticket.
When you got how many tickets?
This was the first one with no insurance. I have priors from 2002.
So you have more than one offense.
Yes.
Okay, whatever. You're not allowed to have a car. So you bought a car anyway, and your friend agreed to put the car in her name and still let you drive.
Yes.
And you drove the car, which I'm telling you, not a smart thing to do. Because now you're liable for anything that happens with that car. You do understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Because even if you have insurance on the car, if they find out she's driving the car and has an accident, they're going to disclaim because she's not permitted to drive a car. You got it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so that's not pretty smart of you. In any event, you're not allowed to own a car. You're not allowed to drive a car. So you bought a car anyway, and you drove it. And then you parked it at some point. There's a fly that is not going to be living much longer.
God.
I like this one, actually. I like this one better. So then when the car was parked at your house or something, your grandson took the car, allegedly without your permission, got pulled over, and the car was impounded.
Yes.
And since the car was in her name, she was able to get the car out of impound. She had to pay money. How much did you have to pay to get it out?
$161.25.
And then she took the car and sold it.
Yes.
And you want me to help you.
I'd appreciate it.
That's not happening.
So I'm just out the money?
You are.
Okay.
Courts aren't going to help you. If you start out by breaking the law, because there's a valid reason, which you're not telling me, which I'm not pursuing, because it's really not important. But if your infractions were such that you not only weren't allowed to own a car, but you weren't allowed to drive a car because you had no license.
Right.
And you did anyway. And what you're asking a court to do is to say, well, despite the fact that you were breaking the law, I'm going to help you. Courts don't do that. Not this court. This court doesn't do that. Now, was it nice of her to sell the car to somebody else? Not really a good friend. But what would have happened if your grandson, instead of getting pulled over, hurt somebody in the car? They would have taken away everything she owned, right?
Right.
So you got what you deserved. We're done.
Parties are excused. You may step out.